Hello, welcome back. My name is Tayyab, and today we gonna take a new series: how to make money, how to make money, and how to make money. In my old channels, you will see how to make money, how to make money, and how to make money. Okay, today we start a new series, and this is the part one of my series where I describe how to make money, and how to make money. Okay, number one, rent out your car parking space. Some students' accommodations come with a drive or garage. If you are not using your parking space and you live in a busy area, then you might be in luck. There are a plenty of people that may work in the city center and are fed up of paying through the roof of daily parking. Advertise your space on Gumtree, Parklet, or Just Park and earn extra money easily. Or check out for full guide to renting out your parking space. And the next idea is babysitting. It is classic money maker and for good reason. You get paid well to watch TV and not very much easily. Hopefully, if you are wondering that to charge have a look at local ads, but you can expect to be paid over 11 to $15 an hour even if you are not trained in child care. Aside from advertising yourself, it is free to create a profit on care babysitting. It really can be easy money unless you get stuck with the child from hell. Our guide to babysitting walks you through the main considerations. For instance, in the US, you will need to DBS services check to look after small children, even though some parents may not ask for one. Dog walking and sitting. If babies are not your thing, then maybe cannies are. Dog sitting is big business. Students especially are likely to have free time during the day when others are out at work and worried about their play pets at home. You could back around $10 to $15 an hour per dog, and it's also a great way to keep fit. Joint care, pet care, who are the best for dog sitting and walking. Make money whilst walking. Walking dogs is not the only way to make money from simply getting those steps up. Paid to walk apps are now the Sweatcoin, for example, rewards you with PayPal credits, gift cards, and free stuff in return for steps. They share insight with health providers like NHS and insurers, but promise not to sell their personal data. Maximize your earning by using the app with local jobs to involve walking, have a look task or Rabbit which lists local paid tasks and errands your area. More traditional ideas to make money from being out about include being a tour guide, distributing leaflets, and inboxing roaming billboards to local companies. Okay, see you on the next part. Bye bye. Take care.